Scribe is great for auto-generating step-by-step guides, but many users look for alternatives with better video support, scalability, or customization. There's no single best alternative. Each tool focuses on a different need like video, SOPs, or automation. The best choice depends on whether you want simple guides, interactive training, or full documentation systems. A user of best Scribe alternatives for documentations, integrated well for small companies, not great for larger ones who value security and privacy. Brilliant at creating fast, easy, and simple guides. The print to PDF option makes sharing via attachments very easy. Scribe works brilliant within a small team, but to share your Scribe across your entire company isn't really something you can do. SharePoint integration is also not a strong point, with not being able to share a link to members within your domain. The only way you can share with several hundred people easily is to create a public-facing link, far from ideal if you value your privacy and security. The best Scribe alternatives for documentation, focusing on cost effectiveness, include Tango Best Free Plan Interactive Guides, Komodo Best Price to Performance of Video, and Guidde Best Video First AI. These tools provide faster SOP creation, usually at a lower price point than Scribe's paid features. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Stay productive, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one.